13 DIY White Elephant Gift Ideas. Surprise someone with a diamond necklace, a diamond ring, or a pair of diamond earrings. This diamond gift is easy to pull off. Just super glue a dime to an inexpensive necklace, ring, or pair of earrings, and you are done. Try the dollar store for cheap jewelry options. They even sell super glue. Have a bunch of gift cards with teeny tiny remaining balances? 68 cents for a coffee shop. $1.37 for a home improvement store. $2.11 for a department store. Use a permanent marker to cross out the original amounts. Then, write the new balance on each card, and wrap them all up together. Use a free ticket printable to create a really authentic looking set of season tickets to a fake event, complete with seat numbers and barcode. Then, hide the words, "Not good for anything," somewhere in the fine print. Place an elastic headband in a bag, and create a hang tag for it that says, "Hands-free cell phone holder." Include a picture of someone using the device, i.e. using the headband to hold a cell phone against their ear, to demonstrate the usefulness of the gift. Use some dryer lint to fashion a couple pet dust bunnies. Add googly eyes and whiskers to complete the effect. Then, stick them in a bag with a label that explains what they are. You might also want to include some care instructions or a warning that they multiply quickly. At some parties, a limit is placed on how many gifts can be stolen each round, or how many times each gift can be stolen. Often the limit is placed at 3 steals. You may want to adopt these rules if your party is under a time restraint. Regardless, the house rules should be explained at the start of the game, so everyone understands how the game will unfold. Wrap up a tube of cookie dough, and include a note that says, "Everyone needs a little extra dough around the holidays." You could also do the same thing with a container of kids' Play-Doh, or a box of pre-made pie crust. Any dough will do. Wrap up a gift with wrapping paper. Then, wrap it up again with layer after layer of zip ties. To unwrap the gift, the recipient will have to cut through all of those zip ties. That will be annoying for them and amusing for everyone who gets to watch them do it. To make the gift even funnier, make a package of zip ties the gift. All natural products are all the rage these days, so a bottle of all-natural bubble bath is a gift that is sure to be much appreciated. To whip up a batch, fill an attractive bottle or jar with dried beans, and finish the whole thing off with a nice label. Be sure to include instructions so the recipient knows how to use it. Something along the lines of, "Natural bubble bath, cook, and eat 1 hour before your bath." Give the gift of cold hard cash. It is something everyone wishes they had more of this time of year. To put this gift together, just drop some change and a couple of small bills into a freezer-safe container, preferably one with a lid, fill it with water, and pop it in the freezer. Once it's fully frozen, wrap up the container, and it is ready to give. Include a card that says, "Thought you could use some cold hard cash to help you get through the holidays." Tuck a note inside a card that says, "I bought you $25 worth of lottery tickets, and scratched them for you. You did not win anything." Earthquakes are serious business. Make sure one does not go undetected by creating a handy earthquake detection kit for one of your friends. To create your kit, drop a bobblehead doll in a bag or box, and create a label that explains your gift. Be sure to include detailed instructions on how to use the device. After all, scientific equipment can be difficult to figure out. Forget careful thought and consideration. If you have an important decision to make, a simple game of rock, paper, scissors can sort it out for you. No one should ever be without these vital decision-making tools, which is why everyone needs to carry a portable decision kit. Put all of your wrapping skills into wrapping an empty box as nicely as you can. Use fancy paper, and include a big bow, so the box looks really enticing. Then, add a gift tag that says, "For the person who has everything." They'll be in for quite a surprise when they open it and discover that the perfect gift for the person who has everything is absolutely nothing. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.